In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Beamng Drive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to easily play Beamng Drive multiplayer is to use this mod that you can find at beammp.com, also known as Beam Multiplayer. So when you visit this website, you will have two main options. One option to download the client if you want to play multiplayer, and then the server file if you want to set up a custom server. Now, if all you want to do is play and you're willing to join a random server, all that you have to do is click to download the client. It will be downloaded automatically, and all you have to do is run the exe file that you can find inside of this zip. Alternatively, if you want to set up a server, you will have to download the server file and run through the instructions available on their GitHub page. The last thing that I want to highlight on the website is the servers tab, where you can browse through different servers before you even launch the game, but this is optional. This is only if you want to see if there are servers available in your location. All that you have to do after you run the client is make sure that the mod is installed. By running the client file, it is going to get installed, and the next time you run the game, the multiplayer option will be available. So, after it has been properly installed, give it some time, run the game, and you will find the multiplayer tab on the home screen immediately. After you tap on multiplayer, you will get this option to sign into a BeamMP account. You can also play as a guest, but it is recommended that you go ahead and sign into a pre-existing account using your username, email, and password. After you are done, you can now browse through all of the servers or connect manually to a specific one. Everything is always going to be available for you to manage on the main menu, and as long as you installed the mod properly, the multiplayer function will be available for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Beamng multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.